Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pallavi and in today's video I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair. Okay, it was completely wet, you can see. So I did blow dry my hair using Nova hair dryer, which is this one. So I'm going to show how I do it. So stay tuned and do watch the video completely if you want to know how I blow dry my hair. And yeah, if you like the video then like button पर press कर देना. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and bell button पे press कर देना guys. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's start the video guys. I'll start off by combing my hair guys. So I'm using a Gup paddle brush to comb my hair. And now I'm applying a Livon serum on my hair. So I'm rubbing like that on my palm of my hands, and then inside the fingers also you need to put your Livon serum so that you can run through your hair easily. This will make your hair really smooth and it will make the entire process of blow drying really easy. So do apply Livon on your hair guys. And now I'll just divide my hair into sections and I'll use hair clips to make those sections. Okay, so I'm taking my back hair, this one, and first I'll just run my Gup paddle brush through my hair, and then I'm taking this Nova hair dryer. It has two switch. The black one gives you the normal blow dry and the red one gives you the warm blow dry. So I'm just holding my hair with that Gup paddle brush and I'm running through my hairs the dryer. You just have to hold like that and run your dry like that. Ignore the way I look guys in this video because it was really hot, and when I blow dry I usually sweat a lot, so there was no point of me doing makeup and then blow drying it. So now I'm taking a rubber band and I'll just put that here, the dried one, behind. I'll just tie my rubber band in that and then I'll put it behind. Now I'm taking another section. I'm just running my comb like that and then I'll start drying my hair. So if you use that nozzle guys, it will be really easy for you because all the air will get concentrated at one particular place, so you can easily blow dry your hair like that. Since I have a lot of volume in my hair, you guys can see that, so I use this process of blow drying, because if I don't divide in sections then it will take a lot of time for me to blow dry the entire hair. So it helps me. So you guys can also divide your hair into sections and then you can blow dry. It will make your hair look a little bit straight, not completely straight, but yeah, it will make your hair straight because I am focusing on the root area more, and the down part will not get straight guys. You can see because my hair are really wavy and frizzy, so the down part will never get straight, but the upper portion I can easily make it straight guys by doing this technique of hair drying. So you can see that it is looking straight. So now guys, I'm taking the front section. Okay, now I am dividing the front section into different sections because I really like doing it like this guys. It helps me because I have a lot of volume in my hair. I really hate it and I don't like so much volume because it is really hard to manage so much hair in your like, yeah, it is really difficult to manage them. so I have to divide in different sections and then I work on that. So yeah, you can use this thin comb also to hold your hair tightly. If your hair will get hold tightly, then it will really become straight. So yeah, you can see that it is looking straight, but the down part, yeah, it will never become straight for me because my hairs are really wavy, guys. So yeah, so my face really looks horrible. I have a lot of pigmentation on my face. I never had it before, but yeah, after pregnancy it did happened. And now you can see I'm back combing my hair like that, and then I'm blow drying it because it will give a little bit lift on the front part. Your hairs will become more straight if you can hold your hair like how the professionals do in the salon. They blow dry it like this only. So yeah, but I'm not a professional one, so I try to hold my hair as much tightly as possible. But yeah, it all depends how much tightly you're holding your hair and which dryer you are using. So this is the normal one, Nova dryer. So yeah, but if you will use Vega, that professional dryer, it will definitely make your hair completely straight, guys, because yeah, and this dryer helps me a bit. So yeah, I don't mind doing blow drying with this Nova dryer. It is really good. You can buy this one if you want to. I'll try to put the link in the description box if you want to buy this dryer. Okay, it comes with 2 nozzles. Okay, you can remove the nozzle. So I'm done blow drying my hair. I'll put a hair band, and now you can see, guys, the down part is looking wavy because it can't get straight, guys. I can't make it more straight with this dryer, but yeah, this much is pretty fine. I guess it is looking good. So that's about it, guys. Let me know in the comment section, did you like this video or not. So it took me half an hour to blow dry my hair because I have a lot of volume in my hair. So yeah, I showed you how I blow dried it. So if you liked it, then like button पे press कर देना, guys, and also don't forget to press on the subscribe button. अगर आप मेरे channel पे नए हो तो subscribe ज़रूर कर लेना ऐसी और videos के लिए. So thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. And yeah, my social media handle links are given down in the description box. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, then definitely you can follow me up there. And thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep loving. Bye bye.